Hi, I'm Ann Henry. This is my Screencast-O-Matic presentation on our discussion for this week, which is on observation forms or observations and data gathering. Um, excuse me, fighting a little bit of a cold. When my principal comes in to visit my classroom, we always have an initial visit before. So I meet with her, sit down with her, tell her what my lesson is about, what my objectives are. She'll ask for anything to look for, either with my teaching or with student concerns I might have. If there's any goals she has for me, she'll tell me what she might be looking for. We haven't encountered that yet, but usually it's things I ask her to be observant of. So she'll come into my classroom to observe, and her mostly she just takes notes, and she'll take notes based on what we talked about before. But her data-driven notes that she takes, she will, and I think I mentioned this in another discussion, she'll draw a little sketch of my classroom, where the desks are, and she'll put little X's every few seconds as to where I'm standing and where I'm teaching from. So depending on the type of lesson I'm teaching, she'll look at how much I move around the classroom, where I tend to stand more, which is interesting. She will also mark little X's or tallies on who I call on, so that's interesting. She will also sometimes, if students are off task, because that's often something I'm asking her to watch for, she will mark how frequently a particular student is off task. So those are really her data-driven observations. Everything else is more, they're still observations. She still is looking for objectives, but it's a little bit different. I feel like those other things are the more data-driven things that she looks for. At the end of or after the lesson, usually on the same day, I will have another meeting with her, and we'll go over what she observed and any suggestions, things that she liked, and things like that. So hopefully that answers the question. It's not heavily data driven in her observations. So, but there are some things. Thanks very much.